Wow, a football court in a residential estate. Welcome to Solace City Bungalows located in Eleranigbe, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos. We have the Phase 1 and Phase 2 same location. This is Phase 1. The development is already coming to life. Active construction and clean layout. Phase 1 is currently sold out. This proves that buyers trust the location. Soon, we'll move to Phase 2 where new opportunities are being created based on the demand from Phase 1. Let's take a tour in Phase 1. Let's see what it has to offer. Good day everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. You love what you're seeing, right? Because I also do. This is Solace City Phase 1 here in Ibeju-Lekki. Interestingly, it is sold out. Now, this property or this development shows the level of demand and buyers' confidence in the development project. Now, let me tell you something. One thing about buildings is that before you invest in buildings, make sure you ask for planning approvals and permits and also soil testing. This will guarantee that the building is legally authorized and structurally safe for you and your family or for your tenants. Now, one thing about this building I love so much is that soil testing has been approved. That means quality materials have been used for this building. The construction materials are also good for the structures. Now, the material testing has been done, which makes it very good for the structure of the building to ensure there are no cracks and collapses in the future. Come, let me show you something. Maybe I'll just go around. Okay. Let's go to the kitchen. Lovely. I mean, I don't know what else to say. All this comes in just for you. Now, Solace City Phase 1 actually is structured for only 3-bedroom apartments with BQ and private kitchen, more like a different self-contained in your apartments. It can be leased out, it can be rented out, for your own rental income. Just that's what I'm saying. Now, come with me to Solace City Phase 2. Let me show you more than you've ever expected. Come, let's go. Okay, I think I'll just have to add to this. Okay. You see, very wonderful. Just look up plasterboard POP. The recent complaint about POP falling down on people. This is much safer for you and your family. I'm talking about the homeowners here. Do you understand me? So you're not just coming here to just live. You're coming here for peace of mind and luxury. Come, let's go to the other room. Master bedroom on the right. Okay. Yay. This is the master bedroom. Oh my goodness. I really love the color combination. Black. I love black. Oh my goodness. This is perfect. You know, our lovely parents, our couples. You come here to just relax, enjoy yourself. This is more than just luxury. This is peace of mind. This is comfort. Do you understand? Check out the wardrobes. Okay. So what more I will say? Actually, don't have anything to say, but come with me to phase 2 again. Let's go. And wait, I forgot to say something. Very interesting. This is lovely. This is lovely. This is lovely. This is lovely. You are a remote worker. This is a very good workspace for you at home. This is just lovely. Can't you see? Can't you see? Come now, let me show you more about phase 2, what you're going to expect from phase 2, more than this you've ever known. My wonderful investors, let me tell you something. Developments like this are not just for investment purposes only. It's a dual purpose. One, for homeowners. Here you live with your family, not just live with your family, but with peace of mind and comfort. And also, when it comes to investment purpose, you're not just having value appreciation, you're also having rental income. So don't snooze on such things. Do you understand? Bungalows are now the real demand in the market. Don't snooze on this. This is Solace City Phase 2, built on success of Phase 1. Same location, but with upgraded quality and enhanced features. Built on strong demand from Phase 1, it's now in progress, offering premium opportunity for early investors and home buyers. Great location, strong investment. Own yours now.